Hi, welcome to Chem 3210 Lab. I don't think I've had any of you in my Gen Chem classes. I may. Uh, I just wanted to welcome you all to a challenging semester that we're going to try to do the best we can to provide you with good learning environments for quantitative analysis lab. We will be going over the syllabus during our first lab meeting. The purpose of this video is simply to discuss a little bit about our lab schedule, our rotating schedule, and hopefully the document that I posted explains everything in detail. But just in case you were wondering, our first week of lab, we will be meeting on Mondays. So this is going to be Monday, August 17th. These will be members of people that are in group one. So if you're in group one, based upon your student ID number that I have listed on the rotating lab schedule document, we'll be meeting in our lab we're up on the fourth floor in Grote Hall. So another thing is group two. Group two will be meeting on the 24th, the following week, and we'll be going over basically the similar topics. So we're meeting in Grote 405, 2 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. on Mondays. Group one is meeting this week. Group two will be meeting the following, and we'll be going over basically the same agenda. We'll be going over the syllabus. We'll go over how to do pipetting, how to conduct pipetting by using a volumetric glass pipette. Now, due to the nature of this semester, we're going to be really practicing social distancing extremely. So you will have specific workbenches. We'll assign you a locker. I'll have a card with your name on it, and that's the locker that you will go to, and you'll be working at a specific site that we have labeled in the laboratory. We'll have two TAs there to help you. We'll have a restriction on how many people are allowed in our small balance room. We'll also go over, I will have videos, so I will have a document provided to you with what the activities will be on day one. We'll have a safety contract. We'll go over our syllabus, and we'll actually have you do some work. You're going to prepare some solutions for your first week's work. One thing you want to get as soon as possible, and I did have some questions, is the type of lab notebook. You will need a lab notebook for this semester. It has to be this type right here. I crossed out the person's name just for anonymity's purposes. You can get these in most stores. I'm not going to mention any names because I don't want anybody to say that I'm giving preference to one store over another. But you can probably pick these up maybe on Amazon. You might be able to order one really cheap. I've seen these as cheap as a buck. Notice it's bound. It has a binding on it. You can't get one that has loose leaf or ripped out pages. You can't rip your pages out. I'll post a document on how to keep your lab notebook. We will discuss it briefly in our first meeting. Again, I want to welcome everybody in this short video and help. And if you have any questions on where you stand in the rotation schedule, feel free to send me an email. If your name's not on that list, if for some reason you added the course at the last minute, please let me know as soon as possible so I can get you scheduled and registered on our rotation. So look forward to seeing everybody this first week, Monday, August 17th at 2 p.m. in Grote 405. And the other half of the group, I'll see you all our second week, which is August 24th. And we'll discuss everything that's required of you. Have a nice day and stay safe.